regular rice in a while.
Huh?
I haven't had regular rice in a while.
You just had a huge thing of rice at Hot Pot.
I mean, other than that.
No. This place used to have like a big special during COVID. If you ordered like pickup, it was like 25 for like a whole set. So it's pretty great. I think this is peanut sauce.
Or mustard?
Oh, I hope it's not mustard. This is my ultimate play spot. New Studios on this one, but one of these is like 30 bucks. Alright, again. They changed the salad though. There used to be like, instead of the Parmesan, there was like a huge cheese thing. It was really yummy. Kind of, not really though. I know. Good. Did you see that? You can dig in. Go from the top. Very top. I know, but you have to do it. Bob reveal. These are the options. I want the first one. Oh, we got this one. I don't even remember seeing that one. Huh? Oh. Got love in the eyes, Bob. He's cute. Let's see it. Okay. I could live with that. What is this? Oh, he comes with his own little stand too. High quality. Nice. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Oh. Alright, nice, nice, nice. Loving the ice pop. Do you feel the mask cooling? Pretty nice. Sick. So pretty. It's a dragon. That's pretty. Open the soup. Wow. This is a lot of meat. Really. Do you want to try some of mine? Oh, you're about to pork too. Oh, that's a lot of food for $17. Veg too.
Kowloon Station are advised to take the East Rail Line. Passengers for Diamond Hill Station are advised to take Tuen Line.
Oh, it's so soft on the inside. Try it. I'm excited. I'm a little apprehensive about this butter. I don't really know what to do with it. Eat the whole thing? I think just spread it. Oh, the butter just melts straight on. It's nice. I just had a little bit of my milk tea and I had like a caffeine rush just now. It is sweet. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be good. Sorry, but I feel like to have more people than normal because like everyone's like working from home and stuff. It's very buttery. Can you see if anything in that one is open?